to my video. Today I am going to be patching a duffel bag using the Stoney Clover Lane Disney Mickey Mouse patches. I've previously done this duffel bag using one of their patches and I think it turned out really nice. I want to do one more today in a different colour. So I have this beige duffel here, which I'll be patching with a different Mickey patch. So I have two options, and one is the pearl, one is the furry pink Mickey patch. So I think I'm going to use this one to have a bit of a difference. So that's going to go right in the centre here, really similar to how I did this one. So to start off today, to patch the item, I've just put down some paper towel to protect and not make a mess. So this one I ordered online, came really quickly, and it's got the 3M adhesive back on it, so it's really easy to stick on. But just for extra stickiness, I'm going to add extra glue on the back of that before we stick it onto the bag. To start off, we're going to peel the back of the sticker off and then add our glue behind it. It's a bit fiddly to try to take the sticker off, but it is really sticky, so be careful not to touch that. So once we've peeled the sticker off, we're just going to add some fabric glue on the back of it, and it does come out really runny, but then it will dry down after a while. I like to let the air dry it out a bit before actually sticking it onto the bag, just to make sure that no glue is going to come out the sides, and then making sure the glue reaches all the way to the edge of the patch, and then without squeezing any more out, just dragging the tip of the glue bottle around to spread it out. And then it should be good. Also, once it's done and we've stuck it on, we're going to leave it overnight and put some heavy hooks or something heavy to weigh on top of the bag upside down, so it really sets and holds it in place. This glue looks white when you first put it on, but it does dry down to be clear. So you don't have to worry about any white parts coming out in case you do get a bit on the bag. It's a really thin layer of glue, but I've tried to spread it out all the way to the edges. Now we have our glue on the back of our patch, it's time to stick it on. It's a bit tricky, but we're going to take our time to make sure we're happy with the position. Line up the handles, carefully touching it from the edges before we place it down. So, I don't have a ruler, but I'm just guessing. Okay, I've lightly stuck it on now, and it looks pretty good. So I've just stuck on the sticker really lightly. Have not pressed on it hard yet, just checking I'm comfortable with the position, but I think it looks really good. Quite happy with that. I'm just pressing down on the patch now with more pressure and making sure that all the corners are stuck on, and then I'm just going to leave it overnight with a few heavy books on top of the bag to make sure the glue's all set. The way I'm holding it looks like it's on an angle, but it's not. It's pretty even compared to the original one I've done there. So here we have the finished product. I really like how it turned out. It's super cute. This isn't an actual Stoney Clover duffel, it's just the Amazon brand, much more affordable dupe, but I really love it. I hope it's been helpful, and you can do the same with your adhesive patches. If you like this one, please comment and give it a thumbs up. I really like both of them. Can't choose.